Hello, we're SAP and we're back with our week 3 reflection.
Okay, so this week's biggest success was our interviews that we had planned out. We received some well responses from the teachers, the fifth grade teachers we interviewed.
What still needs to happen is we're trying to figure out how we're going to put our possible solution into plan, and our biggest problem is really time-wise, making sure our solution is actually effective.
Our first idea for an implementation is implementing the DARE program before and after the normal time period, rather than having it for a month or 2 months.
I think we're using our rules very effectively. We help each other, and we also help each other to keep ourselves on task.
Our most successful interviews, I believe, overall have been with the 6th grade teachers because they've told us how ineffective the DARE program, or at least 1 year of the DARE program, has been the following year when students are out of 5th grade.
So one of the most interesting things that I found while having these interviews with the teachers was that they all had the same response towards the DARE program being ineffective and how it should be implemented more before and after it's when it's yeah.
Okay, but for one of another most interesting things that we found out through the process of trying to implement our first solution is there's a lot of teachers that feel the DARE program is not really doing a good job in the long run, but it's a good start.
What I thought was the most interesting is that a lot of the teachers in their interviews reported that some of the 6th graders, after being involved in the DARE program, were involved in drug gangs.
I thought one of the most interesting parts was just the research, because there's a lot of information over drug abuse because it's a very polarizing topic, and it's very difficult to find multiple solutions to it, mainly because of how polarizing it is and how many ideas people have on it.
I think the most interesting thing so far has been the different reasons why people abuse of these substances. It can range from, that's what they grew up with at home, all the way to my friends are doing it, so I want to do it too.
Overall, what we need to work on before break and what we need to make sure is happening before we go on Christmas break is we need to figure out a way to track our solutions and make sure we're actually getting good data out of our possible solution.
Thanks for watching. See you guys next week.